Hello everyone, today I'm going to present our paper, Swap Anything, Enabling Arbitrary Object Swapping in Personalized Image Editing. Swap Anything is one framework for all swapping tasks, including single object swapping, partial object swapping, multi-object swapping, and cross-domain swapping. Firstly, we identified for the task of swapping, the key variable in the diffusion model is latent variable, which is a z that could be decoded into the image directly. As you can see here, we find it is critical in preserving the background and keep the key features in the objects. We also designed a sophisticated appearance adaptation for this swapping process. For example, we designed a style adaptation, so to keep the style in the original source image. Meanwhile, we extract the identity of the target and inject the identity into the source image to achieve the object swapping. Please refer to our paper for more details. It performs very well on single object swapping. As you can see, here we show some examples and compare it with the previously SODA model. We also conducted quantitative comparison through human evaluation and automatic evaluation. As you can see here, our model significantly outperforms all other baselines. We also find our model is very good at multi-object swapping, which previous methods cannot do. We find if we want to swap n objects, it is equal to swap one object n time, just do it one by one. Meanwhile, previous methods failed on multi-object swapping. The first issue is for each swapping, their context will be distorted, therefore the image will be modified too much to be a good swapping at the end. The second issue is object disappearance. In other words, during the first few rounds of swapping, the target objects already disappeared in their swapping process. Therefore, it is hard to do the swapping in the later stage. We also conducted the cross-domain swapping. Here we show example about how to do swapping between a real face into an oil painting or between a real animal into a painting. Further, we conducted the partial object swapping, where we could directly swap one whole object into the part of one object in the source image. For example, we could swap a deer into a Starbucks logo. Compared with previous model, we could see there is a huge difference. While previous method cannot conduct the partial swapping, our method achieves great performance. Besides, our model also have great performance on text-guided swapping, where we no longer need a reference image. User can directly swap the object by using text prompt if it is not a personalized editing task. As you can see here, in the task where instruct pixel-to-pixel field, our model achieved a great performance. Besides, our model is good at object insertion. I would like to highlight all those swapping or insertion process are conducted by the same pipeline. Lastly, our model also performs great performance on video swapping with zero shot. Here we show one example. Please contact Jinggu for any questions. Thank you.